Regions Hospital in St. Paul, how may I direct your call?
Paging Doc Hollywood. Doc Hollywood, please call Moon and Stacy Stat.
It's Moon and Stacy for Regions Hospital. Today's Doc Hollywood is Dr. Daniel Anderson.
Sadly, last week we all lost someone who's had a big impact in our lives. Steve Jobs died from complications from his long battle with pancreatic cancer. Doc, why is pancreatic cancer so devastating?
Hi, Stacy. I was sorry to hear about Steve Jobs. Pancreatic cancer is an extremely hard disease to beat, and the outlook is grim. You can look at Patrick Swayze and Michael Landon, who both died from the disease. In the case of Michael Landon, he died just 3 months after his diagnosis. If you look at Steve Jobs, he lived for 8 years after a diagnosis.
How was Steve Jobs able to live for so long and at such a high level?
You know, Steve Jobs is a true inspiration for people battling cancer. There are a couple reasons why he lived so long after his diagnosis. One was the rare type of pancreatic cancer he had, which was less aggressive than some. The other was his healthy lifestyle and healthy diet.
Stick around for more about Steve Jobs, and we continue Regions Hospital's Doc Hollywood next.
Welcome back. We're talking with Dr. Daniel Anderson, an oncologist at Regions Hospital Cancer Care Center. Doc, explain the type of pancreatic cancer that Steve Jobs had.
He had a very rare form of pancreatic cancer known as a neuroendocrine tumor or islet cell carcinoma. This is less aggressive than other types of pancreatic cancer. He initially had surgery to remove the tumor, which is pretty typical. He then had a liver transplant to try to help cure the tumor, which obviously didn't work. This is a procedure that's typically not done because anti-rejection drugs can sometimes help the tumor to come back. Again, I feel it's very important to remember that Steve Jobs was an inspiration to people because he fought so hard against his disease.
We agree. Thanks, Doc. Take me to Regions.
Remember, Doc Hollywood is just for fun. If you have a serious health concern, see your physician. Check out the Doc Hollywood page on the KS95 website for more information. Regions Hospital Docs are a part of the Health Partners Medical Group. Tune in next Thursday, same time, same station for Regions Hospitals.
Paging Doc Hollywood.